Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit and add new activities to the Daylio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below and click on the Edit Activities section. After that, you should tap on one of these if you want to edit them. You can select a new name or set a new name. Then you can change the icon. If you go back, you can also add the new group. Here you can see the suggestions, but you can add your own one by tapping on the Add New button and just type in the name. Click on the checkmark icon and then tap on the Create New Activity. You should enter the name of it, select the group to which you would like to insert and click on the Next button. Then select an icon, tap on the Save button, and basically that's it. Here you can find your groups and the included activities. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.